This system warns you that you risk colliding with either the vehicle in front of you, a pedestrian, or a cyclist. It reduces your Peugeot's speed in order to avoid the collision or limit its severity. The system is automatically activated each time you start the car. You can deactivate it in the ADAS menu on the touch screen. When the system is deactivated, this light will come on and a message will appear on the screen. This system manages 3 functions: the collision risk alert, the intelligent emergency braking assistance, and the active safety brake. The collision risk alert warns you that your Peugeot risks entering into a collision with the vehicle in front of you, a pedestrian, or a cyclist in its lane. You can define the alert trigger threshold. To do so, go to the ADAS application on the touch screen. Select one of the 3 predefined thresholds: far, medium, near. The chosen limit will be kept in memory when the ignition is switched off. 2 levels of alert may be triggered and displayed on the instrument panel. Level 1 is an orange visual alert, indicating that the vehicle in front of you is very close. The vehicle close message is displayed. Level 2 is a red visual and audio alert, indicating that a collision is imminent. The message brake is displayed. If you don't brake hard enough, the intelligent emergency braking system will supplement braking in order to avoid a collision. This assistance only occurs if the driver presses on the brake pedal. Finally, the active safety brake intervenes after the alerts if you don't react quickly enough and don't brake or change direction. The system is intended to reduce speed on impact or to avoid the collision if you do not take any action. The active safety brake functions in the following conditions: if a non-moving vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist is detected when your Peugeot speed is not above 50 miles per hour. And if a moving vehicle is detected when your Peugeot speed is between 5 and 87 miles per hour. This light flashes for around 10 seconds as soon as the function acts on your Peugeot's braking system. In the case of emergency automatic braking, keep your foot on the brake pedal to prevent the vehicle from moving off again. The system also works at crossroads in the following cases: if a car or motorbike comes along the adjacent lane in the opposite direction when your indicator is activated and your speed is between 5 and 16 miles per hour. If a pedestrian crosses as you turn right or left when you are driving at between 5 and 16 miles per hour. When you are driving at less than 40 miles per hour and another vehicle crosses your path at a speed of less than 40 miles per hour.